Today we will be testing the AMA moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the AMA moving average. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 576 indicators, with 239 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the AMA moving average, and we're testing it using the no-nonsense Forex baseline tool, the NNFX baseline tool. We've used this tool quite a few different times, and so basically what it allows you to do is go in and plug in many different moving averages, or what you would consider a baseline, and then it automatically plots these red and green arrows telling you or showing you when there is a price action break of that moving average or baseline. And so like I said, we've used this tool quite a few other times, other videos. And in this one, we are testing the AMA moving average, so the adaptive moving average. And it is set to a 30 period, just like we have tested all the other moving averages. And so the setup on this is pretty simple. When we get a red arrow, we are going to go short. When we get a green arrow, we are going to go long. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so the first signal we picked up was a long signal right here on this one. That one gets stopped out pretty quickly as we pick up a short signal on this one. On the next candle, that one gets closed out when we pick up a long signal. And then a few candles later, that one gets closed out as we pick up this short signal. And that one finally gets us one that gets to take profit as we get a push downward in price action there. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up a long right here on this one. We get a nice push to the upside, getting us to take profit. Then it flips to the short side right here. Once again, nice little push downward. That one also gets us to take profit. As we flip to the long side on this one here, again, nice push to the upside and take profit once again. So definitely not counting this one out yet. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version. And you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. So give us quite a few signals in 1 year's time. Let's go ahead and count them out, see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. So we have 39 trades altogether, 39 signals. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. This one fell victim to the same problem that we've seen over and over and over with moving averages. And that is when you use them as a baseline for price action break. Unless you have something else filtering out some of these signals, then you end up with these clusters where you get in and out like one candle after another. Clusters like this, 3 or 4 losing trades in a row before it finally hits the correct direction, and then you pick up, one win or whatever. And so, like I said, we've seen this many times before, and then you run into the problem that if you then take a baseline and add another indicator on top of it that isn't that great of an indicator, then you only end up with kind of like a mediocre trading system. Whereas the idea is to find the best of the best indicators that we can use and apply a couple of those on top of each other and really be able to skyrocket that win rate. And so That's why we have the threshold that we're looking for, and this one did not meet it. So this one is going to go on the no list like so many before it, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.